Thank you for joining me. I'm looking forward to meeting you, whether you're a sales leader and wanting to get your team all on the same page and working with a proven system and methodology, or whether you're an expert yourself, a professional expert, and you know how to do it, but you want to learn a technique that's going to position you as an expert rather than as a cheesy salesperson, and a methodology that's going to enable you to reach the top decision maker with confidence, as opposed to going in at lower levels or shrinking because you're feeling unconfident to pick up the phone, and you don't want to wing it. This is a wonderful methodology that's going to help you in both of those circumstances. And I know that by clicking on it, you are one of those forward-thinking people that just want the best of the best. You don't want to just sell people stuff. You want to actually help them, and you want to actually help them provide total solutions. So I look forward to having you. The first one's completely free, and I'm going to give you real stuff. This is not just trying to sell you stuff, I promise you. I will teach you exactly what the methodology is, what all the steps are, so you'll leave with some practical tools. And then there are other workshops where we will deep dive into it later on. So I look forward to having you. Pop your details in and see you soon.